open source is sovereignty or sovereignty is open source. And that's why we, Mirantis, we strongly believe that open source gives the ability to be completely zero locked in from any given vendor. Because if you get access to the source code, again, you have the full flexibility through skills, through people, through external help to be able to take ownership of the platform and take ownership of your roadmap within these different communities. But as we are talking about an experience which is closer to public clouds, we are looking at having self-service and API-driven experience, right? So that's where OpenStack is very, very powerful, because OpenStack has always been built around being able to be self-serviced. So let's look at how we can then support these new use cases. So AI/ML, for example. In the past, we've had a lot of big data projects running on top of OpenStack. So you had Sarah project, for example, within OpenStack. You had various frameworks that would be onboarded on top of OpenStack. OpenStack was a very good platform to support these big data projects. Basically, depends on the storage backend that you are using. The good thing is OpenStack is compatible with a lot of storage backends because a lot of these vendors have written drivers for OpenStack. One thing that you would want to do is, and the one thing that we do, and I do typically for my customers, is I start to add on top of that Kubernetes and Kubernetes as a service offering. Why I want to do that is, for me, I consider Kubernetes as the cloud operating system. That's the one open source platform that will allow you to easily move around your applications across different environments and avoid being locked into a given resource that is available only in one given environment, right? So that's very, very, very key. So you need to have that capability to be able to easily provide to your internal customers or external customers that capability to create their own Kubernetes clusters, right? The same way as you would be doing on AWS with EKS or Azure on AKS.